I'm Elana Horwich of Meal and Spiel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade, no-fuss almond milk. In fact, I'm going to teach you how to make a nut milk from just about anything. You've probably have tasted these delicious vanilla nut milks that you can buy for $8 to $10 from Press Juicery or whatever the juice shop is near you. That can be made very easily in your own home. Let's go into the kitchen and I will show you how. So, you need a cup of nuts or seeds. You can do all almonds, no problem. I'm gonna mix it up for you today. So we're gonna do some almonds, raw pumpkin seeds. All of these nuts, you want them to be raw. Sunflower seeds, here's some raw cashews, super yummy and creamy. These make it really, really creamy. Pine nuts, I love pine nuts. And here's hemp seed, super yummy. And now you're gonna add some purified water to it. Alkaline water, if you have it, is great. Put it in the fridge for an hour or overnight. I do it at night. I do it before I go to bed. I put it in the fridge. I forget about it in the morning, or whenever I want to make it, I make it. Okay, so here are our nuts that have been sitting overnight in the fridge. You can see they've gotten a little bit plump. I'm actually going to strain out this water. I just find that my nut milk lasts longer if I do that in the fridge. Now we're going to add about 4 or 5 cups of purified water. We're now going to add dates to it. Dates aren't needed. You can just make your nut milk like this. If you want to have a sweet almond milk, a sweet nut milk, then you want to add about 2 dates. Let's just use a pinch of raw vanilla powder. If you can't find this, this is the one that I use, and you can get it online here. But if you can't find this, you can just use a good vanilla extract, no problem. And we're going to use a pinch of Himalayan salt. A little bit of kosher salt, Celtic salt, sea salt will do. Not to make it salty, just to bring out the flavor of the sweetness and of the vanilla. Okay, so I let this run for about a minute and a half. You can store the almond milk or the nut milk in your fridge for about 3 to 4 days, but to be honest with you, mine has never lasted that long.